Welcome back. Right, so hyperlinking for some is a total nightmare, for others is just a breeze in the park. So I want this page to come up when people select it from the home page. First, we need to go onto the page where we would like to set up the link. In this case, we want a link down here. As soon as the customer click here to shop online, we want them to go straight onto that page. So this button here, also this one, and we can possibly link this to that as well. So all you'd want to do, because we have already created a page, you just click linked. Now you have all of these options. You can even create an email link, a phone number link, some sort of pop-up. You can also send them to another website. You can send them to YouTube. You can make them download a file. What we want to do is we want them to go to a specific page which we have created, and our page is called Our Shop. And you want them to open it up inside a new window or current window, we will select current window. If you want them to open it up inside a new window, click the first option. Then we will select done. Now you'll notice that as soon as you click that, you end up with an underline. You can very easily remove that just like so. And let's do the same thing here. We want them to go there. Done. Edit text. Remove underline. Shop all. You want them to go here. Done. And that's it. Now we click publish. And now when anybody clicks on this, or this, it should take them straight away onto our shop file. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's your views that help grow this channel. If you have any questions, please do just drop them inside the comments below. I am here to help. I try my best to be as available as possible. If you have any question, tech related, anything, I will try my best to answer your question. Thank you. I'll see you inside the next one. Bye.